London, New York, snap. Yeah, Macdicator the map. Yeah.
Good morning. How's everybody doing? Man, watching the book map here. Just pushed up all morning. Now we're kind of pulling back for all the entries coming in. Welcome to the Ryan Max Show. Can you hear me okay? Thanks for joining me on my channel. Alex been geeking his first to the show. Welcome. Well, what do we got, man? Why are we so zoomed in on the NQ chart for book maps? Goodness. It's like, I mean, really? It's like, what? Like, what, 50 points down? 75 points up? I suppose. See if buyers can hold it up here. See if buyers can hold it up. Economic calendar today. Let's go to that real quick. We got some news for crude oil. 17-week bill auction. You got Russia industrial production year over year. So we got some news coming up here at 10:30. Fed barking speech. He's barking. Start wolfing. Let's see. Fear and greed index, we got 45. We're pretty neutral. Neutral today. We can get back into fear. We could get to greed. We'll see. Any tournaments going on right now? Competitions. We got 20K March Madness coming up. 4 days left. Commodity Clash. $100 prize. Commodity Clash. Crude oil. Yeah, not much else there. Go look at the charts. And pull up the full screen. NQ, what are we doing today? We got a bunch of gaps down here. I wouldn't be shocked if we get back to 25,037 by the end of the day, but I won't hold my breath. Might be the last target on the map today. We got that cross happening here, so we need to retest this 200 VWAP EMA. We did hit that 103.50 I called out last night. Looks like we hit that. What is it? 103.50, probably around like 6:30 this morning. Oh man, you could have just added long and micros, but I think we get back down to 25.036. Definitely probably channel around 25.070. So, but in the meantime, I'm just gonna play it EC, low and easy. Today I got 150K funded. Probably tack on 2 other evals to it and just trade that slow, nice and slow. But hopefully we can get back down to the VWAP area. Looks like buyers are fighting pretty good to get it back up to all-time highs. No, we just need a slight pullback for those who missed out last night's pump. Just back to previous day close, I would say. At least. Then they can pump it from there, you know. That works for me. So we're gonna sit back, relax, chit chat, talk some shop, take some trades. Have a good day. Let's see here. Got 25,297. You know, I have a feeling that this is gonna shoot up. Feeling this is gonna just rip right up right now. Like it just did. My question is that a get out? Are the buyers, is there some buyers getting out? That's a good question. Maybe you don't. Because this is kind of really thin volume. And if we do go right back down, we'll hit 25 to 24-ish. So I'm kind of falling down. Slowly though. Like slow grind. 25,305. Wow. 305. We're just gonna assume 25K until it's not. Everything else is just current price minus 25,000. So we'll work on that. Still falling lower. Getting down to 29. We find a support on 300. Do we? Probably stop here at 74 if we keep rolling lower. If we go higher, we need to get past this price here at 315. So there it is. That is a pivot, by the way. 318.25. That is a pivot. So right here, let's see if we reject it. Keep going lower. Let's see. All right, give me a minute. All right. Appreciate that. Well, question is do we catch an ask here and run back down and test some levels below? Doesn't look likely. Does not look likely. Huh. Still moving back up. We're rejecting the pivot. Hmm. Let's see. What's up, Vic? How's it going? Still pushing up. Nice little push up through that pivot. They caught it. Buyers caught it. Bull flag, right? Just lot. It's real wicky. Like they don't know what to do up here. A lot of wicks. Just real thin volume. If we do breakthrough here, this 25, we're going right to 35. 10 points there. We can get through it. Yeah, there it is. Come on. There you go. 3 more points. There it is. Boom. Oh. I ain't gonna hold this down. Well, even after tariffs being made, what I think they considered them illegal, right? So I mean, even after that, they still didn't want to dump the market. Just go back to all-time highs again. Just continues to pump, pump, pump. There's no retest. We barcoded on the daily for a bit. And then we gave us this big pop up. Yeah. Check out the full screen. Let's see here. Yeah, that's a daily on the NQ, so we got that barcode here. 25,333. I wonder if we continue through that or reject it. Reversal there, reversal candle. Oh, that's a nice reversal candle, huh? We'll try it. We'll put on one down here. No, wrong way. See if we can't get a hit. 15 points. No. Wrong way.
Stop field.
That was so fast, I didn't even have time to put my P&L up. Just a couple warm-up hits, you know? Still think it's a short, but
Stop filled.
nope, still coming back 10 points up. Sheesh. No. Should sell that 25,340 rather than buy it down here at 30. Yeah. $25 seconds left in this candle. We'll probably bounce off the 20 EMA. I get lucky sometimes. Still got a lot of time left on this candle. A lot of time. Good bounce here. Wouldn't be shocked if we go back up to the 20 EMA. I'd like to see the candle close down here. I mean, that would be beautiful. Epic dump. 3, 2, 1. New candle. Back up. I would say probably this high volume node right here. If we can just rip down into this area, be nice to see. That was epic. S&P 500s are on the pivot right now. We can keep going. Get past 82. Maybe do a little bounce at 74. Or break right through it and destroy it. Uh, 200 EMA is the S&P. S&Ps. Yeah, back up. Yeah. This holds it down. We'll see if these buyers and sellers want to hold it down. Is that a news event? Yeah. Let's see this minus development get filled out. Back up to 308. Maybe retest the 5. A pretty good dump. Moving through it. Works. Selling off a little bit here. Not a rally, not a dump, really. I mean, we just kind of retested this price. Right. Could probably TP down here. We get lower. I mean, the target for me would probably be this VWAP area. I mean, we have a fair value gap here in the 25 190s, but gotta keep it lower. 300 popping down. Hi Zen. What's up? Coming up on the S&P 500's lows. See if we break it, go lower. No. Having a hard time down here. We can't break this 300, keep rolling lower, then or we can get another big dump. That would be a big candle. We drop lower. Just gotta get it past 94, 92, 92.5, 300. Seconds left on this candle. See if she wants to close 30 seconds red. Closed. Right back up. I don't want any help. I'm fine. Right back up. Right back to 309. Get a 20 EMA test. One second. Hello? All right, we're gonna hold it down. I mean, they're holding it up, that's for sure. Yeah, barcode is not desirable to stay in, but who knows? What do I know? Right back up. Well, there's a 20 EMA test. We rejected that quickly. We got 35 seconds still to go green on it. Close above or continue moving up. We just gotta fill this area. Doesn't like sitting in here, then it will go higher, right back up to where we entered. So I mean, that's the market though, right? Let's bring down our stop loss to break even. Do some risk management. Wow. All right, just go close down here, but it's still 40 seconds. It gives me an idea, thinking that we could possibly get back up over this 12 area in 20 seconds or so. I mean, we literally would have to break and close below 92 if we want to stay down here, but that doesn't look like that's going to happen. You got very interesting day to day. It just seems like they're getting in, getting out, repositioning on the hedge fund and institutional traders. But I mean, nonetheless, I still think we get back to VWAP. We do that 200 EMA VWAP cross. Might come back down here sooner or later. Give it time. That's all we got, right? Time and maybe an account we don't blow. There we go. Are we gonna break it and close below? We got 30 seconds still. Just touching this 93 area. Bouncing. 13 seconds left. We'll see where we get going to. Oh. Oh, right back up. Wants that higher move. Well, I think we should manage this to get out. Really look for a position. I could be happy with 590 bucks, no problem. Yeah, it's barcoding right back up to the top here. Slowly but surely rolling up. They can't stay down here, 93. Can't get above 10. Can it? It certainly can. Ben stacking. Morning. Well, let's see. We're closing below the 20 EMA, or are we gonna stay above that? I mean, S&Ps are on VWAP. Rejecting it though. Options don't think that they're gonna go lower. Maybe. Oh, okay. Time is it? 10:47 on the eastern seaboard, coming down to 98. Close below 300. We could have a good short day for a little bit here. Oh, they like that 300. 9 seconds left in this candle. Nope, didn't close below 300. Coffee. Yeah, they're buying 300 pretty good, even though we come down back to it. Yeah. No. All right, 300 broke. Now let's see if we get lower. $300. Can we hold it? Can the buyers hold it? Are they willing to hold it up here? Looks like it. S&Ps are pushing through it. Yeah, 16 seconds left on this candle. Can't seem to close below. A lot of wicks, a lot of buying down there. Not interested in holding this position much longer. Unless we can get past 300. And hold below it. No, a bunch of buyers came through, bought it up. Yeah, they like their 300. Got a lot of thin volume there. Might break, might not. Market maker gonna sell it off. 30 seconds back up. No? Yeah, maybe so. 1 second. All right, we bounced. We bounced. And we didn't get through it. 87, obviously. Retesting the 9.5. See if we get slapped down. S&P 500 said no. We're gonna push through it. Right back up to VWAP on the SPY. Yeah. They like to hold this 85 area. Really nothing there, just they're not ready to sell it. Coming up on 11. Uh-oh. Weakness. Wow, I didn't think we'd get closed down here. Okay. Right back up. Go lower. All right. Not bad. Not bad. I still think we go to 200 at some point. Got to get over this 75 mark. We could go right back up from here. Risk management. If we get back to 16, I'll get out. When that stop loss down. Yeah, I kind of figured. Uncomfortable in this price right here. Market's uncomfortable. I'm fine. But as you could just tell because they're like, get out. Boom, boom, boom. Buy, 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 buy. Unless that's sellers buying to cover, thinking they won't go lower. About 5 minutes before we get to the top of the hour. Target's down there. We'll see if we get it. Be patient. S&P's just crossed over the 200 and closed on it. Can run back right up and get that gap up there at 85. Yeah, 83, 80, 83. Yeah. Unless they just say, no, we're gonna go down. Let's see. 71 lower. We need some more speed on this downside if we want to not worry about a quick retrace up. Still thinking the VWAP is my target. So short from 289 with 2 micros. I think S&P 500 said nope, 200 EMA was good enough. Bounced it right off of that. Gave us a reversal candle. On a good retest of the 200 EMA on SPY. I mean, we could still hover for a little bit. I mean, it's kind of 689 maybe on SPY, maybe. I'd like to see it get back down to previous close, which is 687 at some point today. Tomorrow, it probably won't be. I mean, this is a downtrend. This is a downtrend, but until it's proven otherwise, I don't think. I think we're just gonna hover for a little bit on Wednesday. Yeah, bouncing. I think that's a good enough pullback for the hedge funds and institutions to buy it long. We should bring up my TP and add and then bring up my TP. But the question is where do I do that? We're right back up to 300. Oof. Yeah. Well, now this pump long on the S&Ps are filling this price action here. We hold it down here. No, that's still pushing higher.
More exciting things are coming up. You all should stick around. Take advantage of all the promotions like Code-ALEXTWB.
I hope you can't hear that.
Get one free. Please let them also check out the promotion channel.
Bummer.
Guys, we got stuff from the store.
What the fuck was that?
How do I exit this?
What the fuck was that?
In a few minutes, we're gonna get started.
What the fuck was that?
This wheel is gonna get spinning. Okay? Are you guys ready? Oh, I'm hyped up. I'm gonna be the lucky winner today.
Alright guys, some of you guys will be spinning for the prizes on what you might
I'm
get
sorry,
if you win.
Can't seem to get this to be quiet.
The wheel of prize. Here we go. And one up is a 10K OG credit. Congratulations to the people who might win.
Okay. Shoot.
So we go one prize, 10K on this time. Who's gonna get your prize? It said thanks.
Sorry about that. Can't seem to figure out how to turn it down.
Can't see the screen. I'm getting this feedback.
Yeah, I can't even figure out how to turn it down. Oh well. Wow. Oh, S&P 500 ran all the way back up to where the dump happened. Of course. All right. Well, and the 15-minute on S&P is hurting. Or barcoding, not hurting, but I mean, we could come back down to the VWAP. Yeah, that's an ad spot maybe. See if we can't add, but kind of. Oh, that was a support. Push it up. If we add, I'll be happily pushing it up.
Order filled.
Added one. Still like the target for a 200 tap. Give or take right there. Still under 300. Still under 300. I mean, do we go get the low? I don't know. We could. We'll get this 65. But I'm not gonna hold my breath. Watch. Not holding it. Not holding the breath. Yeah, turning blue in the gills. I'm not holding my breath for it to go lower, but just kind of consolidating, trying to get price acceptance up here. Is that a higher low? Yeah, it looks like a higher low. Well, let's we got about 4 minutes before we get, oh no. We're at the top of the hour already, 6 minutes into it. I mean, if we do, we're hitting my stop loss. I'd rather not. I'd rather figure out a way to TP on this. Come on, bounce. Up, up, up. Yeah, I know I'm short, but confirming my thesis in my mind by saying that. Yeah, if we let this go, we're gonna dump right back down to here.
Hello.
Hello!
Did you enjoy the stream?
I did. Thank you for watching.
Same small dream of getting this right. Ay. Think with bookmaps, trust that check, slow control, no FOMO, Ryan Mac teach us that if you're here for the climb, not just the hit, pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this.